today's video, we are reviewing HP DesignJet T630 36-inch large format color plotter printer. If you need clean, professional big prints fast, this printer might be your new favorite tool. Before we start, the link to this plotter printer is in the description below at the best price in the market. Now let's talk about what makes the HP DesignJet T630 special and why so many professionals choose it for daily work. This is a 36-inch large format color plotter, which means it can print wide drawings, maps, posters, and detailed plans without cutting and taping pages together. It is designed for technical line drawings and crisp text, so your CAD prints look sharp, clear, and easy to read. One of the best parts is the media handling because you can use both rolls and sheets. It supports up to 36-inch wide rolls, and it can also print sheets up to 13 by 19 inches using the included automatic sheet feeder. That means you can quickly switch between big blueprints and smaller documents without wasting time. It also comes with a media bin to catch prints neatly and an automatic horizontal cutter to help you get clean edges with less effort. For connectivity, you get Wi-Fi, USB, and Gigabit Ethernet, so it's easy to connect in a small office, studio, or job site environment. The touchscreen makes basic controls simple, even if you're not a printer expert. Another huge advantage is HP Click software, which helps you print smarter with less waste. It can check PDF errors, give alerts, and even auto-nest jobs to save paper and ink. You can drag and drop files like PDF, JPEG, TIFF, PNG, and more, and it works well with common CAD workflows too. In real use, this printer is best for architects, engineers, construction teams, and anyone who needs accurate prints that look professional every time. If you want reliable large format printing with easy setup, clean output, and flexible media options, the HP DesignJet T630 is a strong choice. And remember, check the link in the description below to get this HP plotter printer at the best price available today.